Question 17. Granny's watch gains 30 minutes every hour, whilst Grandpa's watch loses 30 minutes every hour. At midnight, they both set their watches to the correct time of 12 o'clock. What is the correct time when their two watches next agree? So what we're looking at here is if the correct time is midnight, they're all the same. That's where it starts. But at 1 o'clock, Granny's clock will say 1:30, and Grandpa's clock will show. So there's actually an hour difference between these two. Every hour, there's an hour extra difference. Now in 12 hours, so there are 12 times 60. 12 times 60 is 720. So there are 720 minutes in 12 hours. And if we look at the 90 minutes that it takes for Granny to do this step, is 90 minutes. So if we do 720 divided by 90 is going to equal 8 hours. So what I've done here is I've stepped it to 8 hours, because after 8 hours, Granny's clock will say, will take you back, let me get it right, it'll take you back to 12 o'clock. And then another 8 hours will take it to 00. And then another will take you to 12. Whereas in the same time, Grandpa's clock is going like is just stepping up in half an hour. So to go to 8 hours, this clock here will say 0408 and 12. And therefore this is the time when they're both the same again. And so therefore the answer is C.